Today I'm going to show you how we make our kefir. Kefir doesn't like metal, so this is a silicone spoon, and this is a plastic strainer that I ordered online, and these are kefir grains. They're like the starter, well, you use starters for sourdough bread. This is the kefir starters. I understand they're not palatable, they're not tasty to eat. We've never needed to eat one to see what they taste like. But you need the grains in order to make kefir, because they have the enzymes and probiotics and bacteria that are required to make kefir. People have been making kefir for thousands of years, hundreds of years, and it's extremely healthy. So I have way too many grains today. They grow, they multiply. So today I'm going to take part of the grains and store them. And I'm going to show you how to do that. This is a pint jar, and I'm going to take like half of the grains and put them in that pint jar for storage. That way, if anything ever happens to your grains and you have to start over, you've got extra grains. We like to use quite a few grains because it makes your kefir creamier. And we double ferment, so this is the first step. Put your kefir grains in there. And then we'll wash up. That's our plastic strainer, you can see. We will wash up this stuff, and you just want to really make sure that you get all of the soap off of it. Rinse it well, because it will kill your kefir grains if you get soap in there. So there's our grains in our quart jar. And this is 1% organic milk. So you're going to fill it up just to about right there, because sometimes they do kind of grow and bubble and erupt like a little volcano. And we're going to put the lid. This is a plastic lid, remember. Kefir doesn't like metal. This is our storage container. I had some grains stored in here. You only need to wash your jars about every 2 weeks because that's good bacteria growing in there. And this is called feeding your grains. So we're going to pour milk on there. And you need to do this about every 10 days to 2 weeks. Pour the milk off and feed your grains. I take what comes off of the kefir grains and I make salad dressing with it, ranch dressing. So that's what I'm going to do with what I poured off today. So this is going to go in the refrigerator, your stored grains, for 10 days to 2 weeks, and then you'll feed it again. And this, the first step of making kefir, is going to go over here in this cabinet. See, we got one in here working for 24 hours. If it's really hot, I might not leave it in there for a full 24 hours. But today, it's only going to get up to like 75 or 80. That'll be fine until tomorrow morning, and then I'll show you how we double ferment it.